Hello students, this is continuation of chapter 10 Antarctica part C of the video. The point that I am going to explain you today is effects of global warming on Antarctica. The temperature of Antarctica as a whole is predicted to rise over the next 50 years. As a result, there is an increase in the rate of ice melting because of global warming. Rising temperatures have caused ice shelves to break up. It may cause the glaciers to speed up as they are floating. These glaciers will add to rise in the sea level. The breakup of the Larsen B ice shelf in early 2020 was attributed, means it has contributed to the effect of global warming. Now, what is Larsen ice shelf? It is a thick layer of ice that is floating on the sea. The Larsen ice shelf was about 2,200 meters thick, and during a period of 35 days it has lost 3,250 kilometers square of ice into the ocean in the year 2002. So this breakup is thought to be a consequence of higher temperature, means the breaking up of ice shelf is because of higher temperature. The temperature of Larsen B ice shift area has increased by nearly 3 degrees Celsius in the last 50 years. So, in the last 50 years, the Larsen B ice shift area has increased by 3 degree Celsius. Next is vegetation, animal life and minerals. Antarctica is a cold desert. Antarctica lacks in natural vegetation. It has no trees and bushes due to its extreme cold weather that does not support the growth of trees and bushes. Lichens and mosses and small flowering plants are the main vegetation of Antarctica. Few animals are found here. Those are penguins, whales, krill, snow petrel, etc. Next is mineral resources in Antarctica. In Antarctica is a frozen barren land. It has no population, permanent settlement, village, city or town. This continent is visited only by those who have great curiosity to explore its mystery. Antarctica's only permanent settlements are the research centers. The eminent scientists stay in the centers for their research work. The scientists believe that Antarctica is a storehouse of precious stones like coal, iron ore, copper, uranium, gold and diamond that are buried deep under the ice cap. But the most important concern is how to mine them at reasonable price, especially without damaging the natural environment of Antarctica. Undoubtedly, it can be said that Antarctica is a continent of science and research. Next is Indian expedition to Antarctica. From the year 1981, India has started research work in Antarctica. Till now, our country has set up 3 major stations in this continent. They are Dakshin Gangotri in the year 1983, Maitri Base in 1990, and Bharti in the year 2012. So, let us read one by one. Dakshin Gangotri was the first scientific base station of India that is situated in Antarctica. The Antarctica Treaty was signed by India in 1983. The station was established in 1983 and was completed in January 1984. This team has 81 members. Means the Dakshin Gangotri, it has 81 members. The station was built in 56 days. The Dakshin Gangotri was set up at 70 degrees south and longitude 70 degrees south latitude and 12 degree east longitude. It was an unmanned station. The station has computerized indigenous equipment. Next comes Maitri. It was set up in 1988 to 89. It is about 70 km away from Dakshin Gangotri. Its location is 70 degree 45 minute south latitude and 11 degree 44 minute east longitude. Maitri is a manned and well equipped station. Usually the explorers visit Maitri station at the end of the summer season. It is an inland station which can accommodate 25 people in its main building during summers and winters. The communication with India is through satellite. Maitri accomplished the mission of geomorphologic mapping of Schirmacher oasis. Next comes Bharti. It was set up on 18th March 2012. It is located at 69 degree south, 76 degree east. It is nearly 3000 km east of Maitri. It is about 35 meter above sea level. It can accommodate 47 people in the main building during summers and winters. The communication with India is through satellite. Thank you.